তুমি যাবো।
नमो दिव्यै महादिव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः। नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियतः प्रणतः स्मतं रुद्रायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्याय दत्तायै नमः। कृष्णायै चन्द्ररूपिणै सुखायै सततं नमः। नमो दिव्यै महादिव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः। नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियतः प्रणतः स्मतं रुद्रायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्याय दत्तायै नमः। कृष्णायै चन्द्ररूपिणै सुखायै सततं नमः।
Durga Puja is one of India's famous festivals celebrated mostly in the northern part of the country. But in eastern India, it's not just 9 days of fasting, it's beyond that. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport is one of the busiest in the country during Puja, and when I landed, it was quite heavily raining. It was the 7th day of the Puja, and needless to say, I was late for the celebration. You get a vibe the moment you enter the airport. Everywhere you feel like, homecoming. I stayed in Meadow Square and ITC Royal Bengal, which is the most luxurious hotel of the city. The lights and traffic of Kolkata just keep making it way better. The roads are lit like a bride, and Shehnai can be heard from every corner. Bengalis' hospitality is never to be missed, especially the vast variety of food you can have in Puja. Yes, you cannot compete with the class level of biryanis and faludas you get at a dirt cheap price, even on the roadside. Yellow taxis are a must to be taken when you are in Kolkata. And Bengali song on a radio, that will take you to Tagore's Kolkata. Not to be missed is the Hubli Ghat, boat ride on Hubli River, which is a tributary of the most sacred river of India, Ganga. If you haven't been on this, you have seriously missed to see Kolkata from a different angle. And yes, with Rabindranath Tagore's poetry in the background, oh my god. Let me take you to a heritage as old as 200 years. If you are in Kolkata, do visit Rajbari Shubha Bazaar, Durga Puja.
तुम्हारे भवन में ज्योत जागे, ज्योत जागे मेरे पाप भागे, आनंद मंगल हो मेरी अम्बा।
The Jamindars of Kolkata have been celebrating these festivals way back from 1700s. Even the British were invited to see the richness and the culture of India. Sadly, the situation of these 100-year-old palaces are not good. Most of the descendants of these Jamindars are just able to make their ends meet. However, the Puja celebration has not lost its charm, all thanks to the West Bengal government. These palaces are way old, and the heritage what they carry inside them, you just cannot compare it. The vibes, everything, it's just beautiful. You can see yourself. কলকাতা দেখাতে পুজোর সময় কোণের মাথা দেখছে And as you say in Bengali, খুব ভালো লাগছে. Its lavish cuisine, its idol worship, with a grand fair and pandals hopping is it's a must for every Indian.
सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते स्वर्गापवर्गदे देवी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते कलाकाष्ठादिरूपेण परिणामप्रदायिनी विश्वस्योपरतौ शक्ति नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते
I was actually lucky to witness this all in 2019 during the Durga Puja. And I must say, Kolkata is way beyond a city during this time. It's an emotion for every Bengali to be during this puja at home. In Bengali they say, Ami Ashchi. Just like that, I will be coming again Kolkata.
लक्ष्मी लज्जे महाविद्ये श्रद्धे पुष्टि स्वदे